Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for Beehiiv and how to connect your Beehiiv account to your AEvent account. To start, let's log into your Beehiiv account first. Once you are logged in and on this page, you just have to click on Settings here at the bottom left-hand side. Let's just wait for that to load. And once it's loaded, you just have to click on API on the left-hand side menu. And from here, you would have the option to either delete or edit your existing APIs. But for the purposes of this video, we will be creating a new API key for your Beehiiv account. So just click on Create New API Key here and then just label it. So I'll be labeling it AEvent API Key. Once you're satisfied, just click on Create New Key and then it will show you your API key, your unique one. Make sure to copy it and save it somewhere easily accessible. Once you have copied that, just click on I've saved the key because once this is saved, you won't be able to see it anymore. So this is the API key that we have created and we have already saved our API key. The next thing that we will be doing is connect your Beehiiv account to your AEvent account. So let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in on your AEvent account, all you have to do is click on the integration section here on the left-hand side menu. And from here, click on add integration and then let's search for Beehiiv. Here it is. If you click on this drop-down arrow, you will be able to see the different timeline actions that you can create using Beehiiv with AEvent. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding it. So click on add integration and then you will be prompted to label it. So for this one, just label it Beehiiv. But if you want to connect another Beehiiv account in the future, make sure that you label it and make it easily identifiable so that when you add another account, you can easily identify between them. Once you are satisfied, just click on connect. And then we will be prompted for the API key that we got earlier from your Beehiiv account. So here it is. Once you have it entered, just click on continue. And then we will get a pop-up saying that we have successfully connected the Beehiiv account to the AEvent account. So let's just wait for that to finish trying to connect. There you have it. It says we have successfully added it. So the next thing that we will be doing is we will be testing the connection between Beehiiv and AEvent. So to do that, look for Beehiiv on your integrations list. Just click on the test button here and you'll see that we have successfully established the connection between Beehiiv and AEvent. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.